Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about changing the water pump on a 2JZGTE VVTi out of a Aristo out of Japan. There's a lot more of these engines being imported and run in the US these days, and obviously you can't go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever and get a water pump off the shelf. You're gonna have to get a little creative. So I'll be going into that today and what water pump you need and everything else you need to do. Alright, so fortunately on the block things are kind of sort of simple as far as the timing belt goes. 2JZ's, the timing belt is the same length whether it is a VVTi or not. So for the timing belt you can go ahead and get like a timing belt for an SE300 or a Mark IV Supra or an IS300, doesn't matter. The timing belt tensioner that bolts right here is the same, as well as the actual tensioner itself. So the tensioner pulley and then there's the tensioner itself are all the same. So you can get a timing belt kit for, you know, like a Supra, SE300, GS300 or IS300. All of them should work as far as the timing belt goes. But where things get a little bit complicated is the water pump. So with JZ's there are 10 bolt and 11 bolt style water pumps. If you have a older 1J or like a weird Aristo non-vvti 2J, they may have come with a hydro boost fan from the factory, and that's kind of a weird setup, and you're gonna have to buy the whole back housing and the water pump to eliminate that and run just a water pump. But if you have a 1J VVTi or a 2J VVTi, and maybe a 1J or maybe a 2J non-VVTi in some cases, but you're gonna have a regular water pump, no hydro boost, and if you're gonna replace the water pump, you probably want to just get away with getting the water pump housing and not having to buy the whole back half and front half to do your water pump. So there, like I said, there are 10 and 11 bolt setups, and if you want to get a water pump for a 2JZGTE VVTi out of a Aristo from Japan, you need a 10 bolt setup. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if anyone tells you otherwise, at least on my 2J, it's a 10 bolt, and from as far as I know, this hasn't been changed. So here we have the water pump that came off of my block. Plastic impeller. 10 bolts. I couldn't find much online as far as what water pump I needed, so I went with a 1994, which is a Mark IV Supra. I got a timing belt and water pump kit, but unfortunately that didn't work out. So this is the water pump that came in the kit for the Mark IV Supra, and I believe they call these 11 bolt water pumps. I have the gasket right here, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 holes. And the ones that go into the block, like these ones right here, are fine, but it's just that outer housing that's a little bit different. The spacing is just off. So like, for example, here's the water pump that came off the vehicle. If you look, so this is the bolt hole that the alternator bolts onto. It's not used for sealing the water pump, but we'll just use it as a reference point. If you look at this hole to this hole, that's pretty similar, but if you look at this hole to that hole, you can see that this is a significant bit longer than on mine. That's probably a bad illustration, but the holes just don't really line up. So Mark IV Supra water pump does not work on a 2JZ GTE VVTi. So here's the gasket for the Mark IV Supra put up against the block, just to show my point. And you can see these these holes around here line up pretty well, but once you start getting out, they don't line up very well at all. And you know, that one doesn't even have a hole for it to go through. And it's just off by slight amounts, so it's not anything crazy. So now the water pump that does work is off of a IS300 or a GS300, the models where they had a 2JZ VVTi. So that's the later, maybe it's like not even the late 90s, but like early 2000s is when they came out. And this is a 10-bolt water pump. Here's the gasket for it. And now let me overlay the other gasket on it, and you can just see how off the bolt holes are. So we'll just go ahead and line up some holes. And mainly it's like these holes here that just don't line up. But the IS300 water pump does line up. So this is the old water pump, and you can see that this gasket overlays pretty well on those holes. All the holes line up. Now the only downside about this water pump, if you can see, is that the pulley, I mean the bolt spacing for the pulley is a lot smaller. So there's how the pulley would sit on it normally, but it's just too small. And the reason for that is that on the Supra and on the Aristo in Japan, the radiator is cooled by a mechanical clutch fan. And if it's cooled by a mechanical clutch fan, the bolt spacing is bigger. That's a question for Lexus, Toyota, if you're wondering why exactly. But on the GS300 and the IS300, they run electric fans instead of a clutch mechanical fan, so they don't have to run this style pulley setup. So if you want to change your water pump on a 2JZGTE VVTi out of an Aristo, you need an IS300 water pump and a IS300 water pump pulley, because this just won't work. So that's just a little tidbit of information there for you if you're changing out your water pump. A lot of these imported engines, you know, were made in the early 2000s or maybe even late 90s. So their timing belt and water pump are probably starting to show their age a little bit. So if you want to freshen it up, go ahead and pick up a GS300 or an IS300 water pump. Pick up the pulley to go along with it, and you should be able to install it without any issues. The 1JZ VVTi, from what I understand, do indeed run the 11-bolt style pump like on the Mark IV Supra or the non-vvti 2Js like in an SC300. I don't know that 100%, but I am pretty sure that is the case. So if you have one of those, go ahead and scoop one of those water pumps. Otherwise, 2JZ GTE VVTi out of an Aristo needs the IS300 or GS300 water pump. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it, sub to the channel if you haven't, hit the notification bell, and I will be back at it with more drift videos in the future. Thanks again.